Just wanted to quickly show you how to separate your lashes without ruining them. They're super delicate just so that they don't ruin your natural lashes, and that is a great thing, but also makes it a little bit more difficult to make sure to separate them carefully. But once you know what you're doing, you can do it every time simply, and they will never ruin your lashes. So all you do is you just pinch that top and bottom very gently, parallel of one another, and you just slide that magnet apart. It is so super easy. Literally does not pull on the magnets at all, so the magnets will never come off as long as you're sliding them parallel to each other, just like this. Again, you just put one thumb or one finger on top, one on bottom, gently slide, and as you can see, the magnet comes straight off. So when they're on your lashes, it's not going to pull your natural lashes, and then when you're separating them from your case or whatever, it will never pull the magnet off. It's so awesome. Your lashes will last you honestly until they just get too dirty or until the fringe dies, but they should never ever die from having the magnet fall off as long as you keep sliding them every time. So let me know if you have any questions, and I'm happy to help you.